Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use highlighter on TradingView. Firstly, on the left hand side of the chart, click on the brush icon or highlighter tool. This is located among other drawing tools. Once selected, click and drag your mouse across the area you want to highlight on the chart. This will create a translucent highlight over the selected area. To exit the drawing mode, you can either right-click in an empty area of the chart and select crosshair, or simply click elsewhere to stop drawing. You can change the color and transparency of the highlight by going into the Tool Settings menu or using the floating toolbar. Once you've highlighted the areas of interest, you can choose to save the chart with these annotations or remove them if needed. This tool helps you visually emphasize specific chart details without cluttering your view, making it easier to share or analyze the key parts of the chart. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.